Good morning students. Today we are going to read about using of this, that, these and those. So in this class we will learn about where we use this, that, these and those. Okay, let me have a start. That is used for a person, place or thing that is far from us. So we use that for those person, place or thing which is far from us, जो हमसे दूर है, उसके लिए हम that का यूज करते हैं. And we use that for singular person. Okay, we use that for singular person. In earlier class we have already read about singular and plural. So we use that for singular person and we use that for those person, place, animal or thing which is far from us. Okay, for example, that is a cat. That is a cat. Okay, so what is the cat's position? Cat position, it is far. Okay, the cat position is far. ये cat की position क्या है? ये दूर है. Okay, so we use that is a cat. We take some other example. Okay, for example, I'm creating here. Okay, some other example. I'm standing here. Okay, I'm standing here and book is kept here. Okay, I'm standing here but book is kept here. It means I'm far from book. मैं book से दूर हूँ. Then this time I can say that is a book. That is a book. Okay, why? Because book is far from me. क्योंकि book जो है वो मुझसे दूर है. Okay, now this is used for a person, place or thing that is near from us. So where we use this? This is used for those person, place, animal or thing which is near from us. Near it means जो मेरे पास है. Okay, for example, chair. This is a chair. What is the chair position? Chair is near. Okay, chair जो है बिल्कुल नजदीक है. So this is a chair. We will use this for chair. Why? Because this is near. Okay, क्योंकि नजदीक है. Now let me see same example. When I'm standing here, okay, and then I am talking about this book. Okay, this is a book. In first example, I have used that is a book. Why? Because book was far from me. Okay, far from me. उस समय book जो थी वो मुझसे दूर थी, इसलिए मैंने that use किया था. But this time, once again, I am taking same example and now I am using this. लेकिन मैं this का use करूँ. Why? Because I am standing near the book. मैं book के बिल्कुल नजदीक खड़ी हूँ. So this time I will say this is a book. Okay, clear. Now using of these is used for many persons, places or things that are near us. Look students, this and these. Okay, this and these both are used for near person, places, things or animals. Okay, this और that जो होते हैं दोनों ही जो near person, place, animal और things होते हैं उनके लिए यूज किए जाते हैं. But here is a little bit difference. Okay, यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी difference ये है. We use this for singular. Okay, for singular. We use this for singular and we use these for plural. हम plural के लिए these का use करते हैं. These. 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 Okay. So this और these दोनों का यूज हम near के things, persons, places या animals के लिए करते हैं. But we use these for singular and these for plural. For example, these are cups. Here are 3 cups and cups is in plural form. Okay, so we use these are cups. THESE, these are cups. Okay, let us getting one example also. Now here, okay, now here kept lots of book. Okay, lots of book is kept here. Okay, lots of book is kept here. So now how can I say these are books? These are books. Why we use this? Because I am standing near of these books. मैं इन books के नजदीक खड़ी हूँ, near खड़ी हूँ. So this time I will use these. These are books. Okay, now let me see. Using of those. Those is used for many persons, places or things that are far from us. Okay, those. That is also used for far person, place, animal or things. And those is also used for far persons, places, animals or things. Okay, look here student. Here I am writing also person. Here I am writing persons. Here I am writing place, places, things. It means you have cleared this time. Okay, you have cleared this time. We use those for plural. Condition is same. Okay, position is same. Position यहाँ same है. Okay, we use far from. We use those and that for far things, persons, places, animals. But that is used in singular and those is used in plural. Okay, हम plural form में those का use करते हैं. Okay, for example, I am giving same example. Now books are kept here. यहाँ पे books रखी है. Now I am standing far from the books. मैं books से far हूँ. So this time I can say those are books. Okay, I'm pointing out those books. Okay, so how can I say those are books? मैं कैसे कह सकती हूँ उसको? Those are books. So I'm using here those. Why? Because books are kept far from me. Okay, books जो है. Okay, so now important points is also here. Important points. We use is with this and that. हम this और that के साथ is का use करते हैं. Once again, this और that के साथ is का use करते हैं. We use are with these and those. These और those के साथ are का use करते हैं. Once again, look here, that or this. Okay, we use is with that also and we use is with this also. We use are with these also. We use are with those also. Okay, so now I think you have cleared that points. Once again you will read this and practice this.
So students, I hope you must have understood using of this, that, these, those. Now we will do practice of this, that, these, those with these worksheets. Here I am giving 2 worksheets. Okay, so now first you look here. Okay, here are given signs of this, that, these, those. How you can identify? You have to use this, that, these, those. So through the arrow you can identify. You have to use this, that, these, those. Okay, let me see. Here arrow is short. It means we have to use this. It means the thing is near to you. Here arrow is long, so you have to use that. It means things is far from you. This and that both we use for singular. ओके, दिस और दैट दोनों का यूज़ हम सिंगुलर के लिए करते हैं, बट दिस का यूज़ करते हैं जब कोई थिंग हमारे बिल्कुल नज़दीक होती है. दैट का यूज़ करते हैं जब कोई थिंग हमसे फार होती है. दीज, व्हेन द एरो इज शॉर्ट and the things are in plural form, so we have to use these. When the arrow is long and things are far from us, it means you have to use those. So through this arrow you have to identify and write down this, that, these, those. Let me start. Okay, now so dash is a computer game, so we have to write down here this. Why? Look here, arrow is short, it means it shows computer game is near. Write down. Now dash are lorries. Dash are lorries. So first you look here, students. Arrow is long and it means things are far. Things are far, but it's in plural form. So we have to use here those. Those are lorries. Now once again, arrow is long. It means thing is far from you, but here is only one camera, so we have to use here that. That is a camera. Very easy, students. So only you have to identify arrow and write down this, that, these, those. Now next, dash is a kite. This is a kite. Now next we have to go through fifth. Okay, dash are balls. Okay, so as you can see, arrow is short, it means, and ball is in plural form, so we have to use these. These are balls. Now you look here, arrow is long and watch is in plural form, so those are watches. Now it's very interesting. You have to write down this, that, these, those, and write down also things name. First you identify. Here is picture of pen. Arrow is short. It means this is a pen. What we have to write down? This is a pen. Now that is a sharpener. That is a sharpener. Now next, last one is arrow is short and here thing is in plural form. What thing is this? These are chairs. These are chairs. Okay, students. So I hope you must have understood. Now, next worksheet. Okay. So once again, you will identify with arrow and write down this, that, these, those. Okay. What is this? Okay. What is that? Now, here car is in plural form. So what are these? Okay, these are cars. Okay. Now, what are those. Okay. Now, what we have to write down? These or those? Look here, arrow. Arrow is short. It means we have to write down here these. What are these? Now, here tray is in singular form. Arrow is short. It means we have to write down here this. What is this? Next, what are those? What is that? Why? Because arrow is long and here is only one dog. So what is that? Now, what we have to write down? Guess? Yes. What are these? Okay, students. So now that was our worksheets. Okay, I hope you must have understood. So you will practice with these worksheets